Customizing the default 2011 WordPress theme. How to change the font color, style, and size of the links in the widgets. Now let's take a look at the theme before we apply our code. Let's scroll down here, and here's some examples here of links. This too is an example here. Basically anything in the widget area that you can click on and it will take you somewhere else within your site or elsewhere is the link that I'm referring to, being able to change the font elements, whether it's the size, the color, or the style. Even down here in the calendar as well. Now this is the before picture. Let's take a look at the after picture. As just an example, changing the color, the font style, and even the font size. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the code that we're going to use to do this. Now there's only a few spots in here that we can use, or that I would suggest that you use to make any customizations. That would be the top three: the color, the font family, and the font size. Now you can change the weight if you'd like, but I would leave that alone. Text decoration you can change as well, but unless you know what you're doing, I'd leave that alone. You can do this with an underline, an overline, or none, but yeah, for the most part I just leave it alone. But the font size you can change, bigger, smaller. Again, these elements here would be something to consider in conjunction with the rest of the scheme of your theme. Let's go ahead and copy this into our clipboard and add this to our style.css. And I'm using my child theme style.css. Now if you're not using a child theme, then just copy this code and paste it into the very bottom of your parent theme style.css. Let's open up our FTP client, upload and overwrite the existing style.css in our child theme. And come on back to our browser and take a look by refreshing our page, and there you go. You see even down here in the calendar it was affected whenever we changed the font style, font size, and font color.